Hello my dear all second PU science students. In this video I am going to solve the numerical problems related to density from the chapter solid state. So the problems related to this topic, it is very important. It will come for 3 marks in the final examination. So let's begin with the first problem. The first question here. Silver forms CCP lattice. CCP in the sense it is FCC. Okay. Cubic close packing. We can also call it as FCC. Face centered cubic unit cell. Okay. Silver forms CCP lattice and X-ray studies of its crystals shows that edge length of its unit cell is 408 picometer. Here edge length is given. And calculate the density of the silver and atomic mass. It is given 107.9 U or 9 atomic mass unit, where U stands for unified mass. So before getting into the problem, so what is the formula behind this problem? So we know, all of you have knowing this formula, right? So what is the formula of density? This is very important. So formula of density, it is equal to, see, small letter d is equal to z into capital letter M divided by a cube into Na. So where z is, what is z? Z is number of atoms or particles per unit cell. Okay, per unit cell. And what is M? It stands for molar mass. What is A, small letter a? It is a edge length or a side edge length. What is Na? It is Avogadro's constant, Avogadro's number or constant. You know the value of Avogadro's number, right? Avogadro's constant. What is the value? It is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. It is a constant value. Okay, now what and all given in this problem? Let us write all those data. Okay, silver forms CCP. Here CCP in the sense FCC. So for CCP or FCC, what is the value of Z? It is equal to 4, isn't it? Because in FCC, the number of particles per unit cell is always 4, since it is FCC or CCP is given. And then what is given? Edge length. Edge length is given. What is the symbol used for edge length? A. So what is the value? 408 picometer. Pico in the sense 10 to the power minus 12 meter. Okay, what we have to calculate? We need to calculate the density, write its symbol first. And what is given? Atomic mass is given. We need molar mass. So atomic mass is given here 107.9 U. If you want to know the value of molar mass, only difference in the unit. Okay, so molar mass, because we need molar mass in the formula, so we can write gram per mole. So if the atom mass is given in terms of U, unified mass, that then it is atomic mass. Okay, so if you write unit as gram per mole, then it is molar mass. Value is same in both the cases. Now let us substitute. So before substituting these values in the formula, one thing you remember, see here, unit conversion is there. Okay, so I'll show you. I'll rub this one. What is the general formula of density? Density is equal to mass by volume, isn't it? So density is equal to mass by volume. So what is the unit used for mass? How it is measured? Either by using in kilograms or in grams. So see, I'll write, this is not needed. So density is actually, it is equal to mass by volume. Basic simple formula. So what is the unit of density? If mass is given, measured in kg, kilograms, and volume is in meters, meter cube. Volume in the sense, you can, in case of solids, you can consider length into breadth into height. So if it has the length is measured in terms of meters, all the three sides, meter into meter into meter, then it is volume meter cube. So we can write kg per meter cube, or else if mass is given in terms of grams, then volume is in terms of centimeters, then unit of density must be in gram per cm cube. So if kg and meter, then it is also fine. It is a SI unit, standard unit of density. If it is gram and cm, centimeter, then it is also fine. So now you can let us see here. See, what is the value of m? Molar mass, it is given in terms of gram per mole. And what is the value of edge length A? It is in meters. So gram and meter, we need to convert the unit here, because if meter is given, then we need to convert grams into kg. Look at the standard unit here, kg and meter. One thing you remember, if it is in meters, then the unit of mass must be in kilograms, kgs. If it is given in grams, then the volume must be in centimeters. So here, if it is in meter, then you can convert these grams into kg, or simply molar mass, let it be in grams per mole only. Simply you can convert meters into centimeters. So this is also fine. See, gram and centimeter. So both are same. So I'll convert meter into centimeter first. Okay. Now 1 meter, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, isn't it? Okay. See, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I'll write 10 to the power 2 centimeter. So edge length, it is in meters. So we need to convert it to centimeters. 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. How many centimeters? Let us do the cross multiplication. What we will get? 408 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power plus 2, which is equal to 408 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeters. Okay, now we can substitute the data given in the equation. What is the value of Z? It is 4. What is capital letter M stands for? Molar mass. What is the value? Gram divided by A. What is A? We have converted edge length meters to centimeter. Why we have converted? Because the molar mass is in grams. Okay. Okay. Now let us write 408 into 10 to the power minus 10 cube. It's cube. And what is the value of Avogadro's value? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. By using calculator, you can solve this problem. So the answer for this question is 10.5. And after writing the answer, it is very important to write the unit as well, because unit carries 1 mark in the final exam. If you won't write any units, then you won't get full marks. So the answer for this question is 10.5 gram per cm cube, because in the numerator molar mass is in grams, this is in grams, and in the denominator edge length is in centimeter, it's a cube, and mole gets cancels. Here it is in mole, and Avogadro's value, this is also in terms of per mole, so the mole gets cancels, and the remaining unit is gram per cm cube. So the answer for this question is 10.5 gram per cm cube. Hope this is clear. Let's solve one more question. Now look at the second question. X-ray diffraction studies shows that copper crystallizes in an FCC unit cell. Okay, what is given? FCC unit cell. So what is the value of Z? So we can write given, what is the value of Z? The Z is equal to 4. Why? Since it is FCC. The number of particles per unit cell of FCC is 4. And the cell edge of edge length, small letter A, 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. In a separate experiment, copper is determined to have a density. Density is also given. Write its symbol. Small letter D is equal to 8.92 gram per cm cube. Okay. Calculate the atomic mass. Atomic mass is asked, not the molar mass. Atomic mass is asked. So let us write the formula. Density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Now we need to calculate. See, we have a density value and Z is known and A value is also known and Avogadro's value is also known. And first look, just to check the units. Okay, see, gram and centimeter. Yes, it matches with one another. What I told, if it is gram, then centimeter. This is fine. If it is kg, then it should be meters. So remember these two terms. Either you can write, remember like the cmg. One small trick to remember cmg. Or what you can write mkg. Okay, centimeter, gram, meter, kg. Okay, now let us substitute. We need to find out the atomic mass, but in the formula we have molar mass. Let us write as it is. So we need m. So let us do the cross multiplication here. D, small letter d, that is density, d into a cube into Na divided by z. Now let us substitute the values directly, because no need to convert the unit here, because already grams and centimeter, it matches with one another. cmg. Yes. Okay, let us directly substitute. Density 8.92, A value 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 8, write its cube. And what is Avogadro's value? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by, what is the value of Z? It is 4. So what is the answer you get? Use your calculator. Okay, the calculator is allowed for the board exam. This is not allowed, which is not allowed in the entrance exam, but in the board exam you can use calculator. Not a scientific calculator, normal calculator. Okay, so solve here. The answer is 63.1 gram per mole. This is molar mass. Look at the question. What it is asked? It is atomic mass. So we need, therefore, atomic mass is equal to, answer is same, 63.1, but only the difference in the unit. You need to write U here, small letter U, which is a unit, unified mass. It is a unit of atomic mass. So 63.1 U. Answer for this question. I hope this is clear to you. Now let us consider the next question. A body-centered cubic element BC is given, isn't it? So now let us write the values, what and all given. Let us write. So given BCC, no? So the value of Z, it is equal to 2 since it is BCC. We know that the number of particles per unit cell of BCC is 2. And the density, having a density, is also given 10.3 gram per cm cube, and has a edge length A, small letter A, 314 picometer. That means 314 pico in the sense 10 to the power minus 12 meter. And what is asked? What is asked here? Calculate the atomic mass of the element. Atomic mass. Atomic mass is asked. Okay. Now let us write the formula. Density is equal to Z into M divided by A cube into Na. Okay. We need to find out the atomic mass. That means we need to find out the value of molar mass. Capital letter M here. So first, before substituting the values, look at the units. It is in gram, centimeter, but look at the value of edge length. It is in meters, gram, meter. It won't matches. What I told, it must be cmg, centimeter and grams. So now let us convert these meters to centimeters. Okay. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You can write 10 to the power 2 centimeter. Or 314 into 10 to the power minus 12 meter. How many centimeters? Do the cross multiplication here. 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power plus 2, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 centimeters. Now we can substitute. Here, isn't it? In the formula, we need capital letter M, because all other terms, values already It is given. So let us calculate m is equal to d into a cube into na divided by z. So density 10.3, edge length A 314 into 10 to the power minus 10 its cube, and here what you have to write, Avogadro's value 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 2. So find out the answer. Answer is I have already given here, that is 96.01 gram per mole. This is molar mass, but in the question they have asked to calculate the atomic mass. So atomic mass is equal to 96.01 U. You have to write the unit properly. Understood? Okay. I have solved 3 problems regarding density. In my next video, I'll going to start few more problems. Thank you.